popping so fast?
Hello! I am the magical popcorn machine. Whoever catches me and eats me will be filled with laughter. Sweetie! This popcorn is doing such funny mischief.
Mom, this is the most fun game ever.
All right, but you must use me with laughter every day. Only then will the popcorn be the most delicious.
I will always keep laughter alive. Yay! Popcorn time will always be fun.
Ow! Ow!
Remember, laughter makes every popcorn extra crunchy and sweet. Yay! Popcorn time will always be fun.
Mom, this was the best popcorn adventure ever.
Yes, my dear. Laughter makes every moment special. Careful, sweetie, or you'll turn into a popcorn ball yourself.
If I turn into popcorn, you'll have to eat me too, Mom.
Oh no, sweetie. I'd rather keep you as my cute little kitten.
Then let's promise to always laugh together, Mom.
Yes, my dear. Laughter will always keep our hearts light. Mom, I think even the popcorn is happier when we laugh. You're right, sweetie. Even popcorn loves to join our laughter.
Mom, this was the tastiest and funniest popcorn day ever.
Yes, sweetie. And we'll keep laughing together forever.
Look, magical ice cream.
Whoever eats me will taste happiness in every bite.
Sweetie, should we try this magical ice cream?
Yes, Mom. Let's taste it together. I never knew ice cream could sing. See, laughter and sweetness go together. This is the sweetest day of our lives.
Mom, can we come here every day?
Of course, sweetie. As long as we share the laughter. With you, every day feels magical.
Mom, I hope this magical day never ends.
Don't worry, sweetie. We'll make every day magical together.
Mom, today was the happiest day ever.
Sweetie, every moment with you is magical.
Yes, sweetie. We'll always make every day magical together.